Hello students, welcome to Knowledge. Today we shall start chapter number 1 from class 11 CBSE NCERT syllabus. The chapter name is Sets. We shall see the introduction as well as exercise number 1.1 in this video. Now what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. It can be objects means it can be alphabets or numbers, whatever. Now here well-defined, this term means that content of the set will be accurate. For example, if you see a set of even numbers less than 10. So you all know the set of even numbers less than 10 is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it cannot be more than that. The next number will be 10, but it is written less than 10. So you cannot include 10 here, and you cannot include anything from this part also. So this means that you have only this amount of numbers, even numbers which are lesser than 10. So this means this is well defined, and so it is called a set. Okay, so then sets are always denoted in capital letters, which means as I have written it here, A, capital A is the set here. So I am expressing this set as A. Now here you can write A, B, C, D, whatever according to your wish. Then the elements are always denoted in small letters. The elements means whatever objects are contained inside it. Say for 2, 4, 6, 8, each one is called an element. Or you can even write A, B, C, D, whatever is there inside this, each one is called an element. Then there are two methods of representing a set. One is the roster form or tabular form, and the second one is the set builder form. See here roster form. Now roster form means elements are separated by commas and are enclosed within braces. Now how I have given this example, this is the roster form. So it will be enclosed within braces. Now this is how you will be writing your separating it. See, you cannot write this bracket or this square bracket. You should not be using any of this. You will be writing only these kind of brackets. You know how to write this, no? This is how you will be drawing this bracket. So this will be enclosed in these brackets, and then each of the element inside this will be separated using a comma. Then a set of natural numbers. See, if you see this set of natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4 and dot dot dot. This means that it goes indefinitely. That means that there is no end. It will continue indefinitely. And then the elements can be written in any order. So here 2, 4, 6, 8 are there. I can also write it as 4, 6, 2, 8 or 6, 2, 4, 8. In any order I can write this set. The elements should not be repeated. For example, if you see school, it's written school here. Now I am going to write this as a set. So I can write this as A is equal to A means a set is represented here. So I represent this set as A. So now I will be writing a brace here, and then I have to write S, comma, C, comma, H, comma, O, comma, L. Then close the brace. Because here O is getting repeated, I should not be repeating any element inside this set. So I will be writing O only once. So here none of the other alphabets are getting repeated. So this is how you will be writing a set. Now next thing is set builder form. Every element in the set possesses a single common property. Single common property means, for example, if you can see here that I have written taken the example as A, E, I, O, U. Now you all know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels of English alphabet. So I am writing V. V means vowels is equal to, now braces, I am in braces, I will be writing. This is how I will be writing a set builder format. See, X, you will have to write X, then this ratio symbol, and then I will write it as again X. This X means that X is any of these elements. Okay, I can take X as A or X E as X or I as X, anything, or any of these elements I can take as X. So X means each element. Then this ratio symbol is 2. This ratio symbol means the word such that. So X such that, X is a vowel in English alphabet. So X, this is any element, means that these elements, this element is a vowel in the English alphabet. So if I take A, then A is a vowel in the English alphabet. If I take I, then I is a vowel in the English alphabet. That is what it means. So it will be written in this format. The braces X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet, and then close the brace. Okay. Now for example, if you see here, I have written this is a set. This is written in braces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then close the brace. Now how will I be writing? A means I am representing this set as A is equal to, open the brace, then write X such that X is a natural number. You all know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a natural number. So I am writing X is a natural number, and then I should not complete it. I have to mention the first and the last number here. So I will be writing what is X. I will be mentioning X here. So here I won't be mentioning it here because I need not mention it as A, I, O, U or anything like that. But when it comes to numbers, then you will have to mention it. So I am writing X. X means then X is, if it is 1, then 1 is lesser than X. This symbol goes there because X is greater. Okay, any of these elements is greater than 1. Okay, greater than or equal to 1, because I am including 1 here. So it starts from 1, so equal to or greater than 1. Okay, it starts from 1 here, so equal to 1 or greater than 1. That is how it is, right? It is starts from 1, so equal to 1, and then greater than 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 are greater than 1. So it is, this means equal to and this means greater. So 1 is lesser than and greater than, 1 is lesser than and equal to X, and then here I will write the last number 5 and say it is X is lesser than and equal to 5, because I am including 5, so equal to. So these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are lesser than X, lesser than 5, so I am writing it as lesser than 5. Okay, and then close the brace. Now you have got this point, right? I am mentioning the first number as well as the last number here. So if I am mentioning, then I will have to write this equal to. Okay, and then X will always be greater than 1. Here 5 will always be greater than X, because I have included it and I have written this equal to sign. Okay. Now let's go to exercise number 1.1. Yeah, before that I have to complete one more thing. That say, for example, you have a set A is equal to in braces A, E, I, O, U. Now here I can say that I have already told you that every element inside a set will be denoted by, or it can it can be written as an alphabet with small letters, right? A, small b, small c. So each letter here means small a, small c. Now here if you see A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So you can say that this belongs to the set A. So this you can say that A belongs to set A. Now this symbol here, this curved kind of E is written here. See, curved kind. Now you should not write it this way. You have to write it this way. This means the word belongs to. Okay. So when I write here A belongs to A, what does it mean? A from the set belongs to this set A. So this element, A is an element which belongs to set A. So E is an element. See, E is an element which belongs to set A. I is an element which belongs to set A. Now can you say B belongs to set A? Now you cannot say that because there is no B here. So when B is not there, then you have to say does not belong to set A. You have to write the belongs to symbol and then cut it off. Okay. Now let's go to exercise number 1.1. Here the first question says that which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Now here you can see that the first one is the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. So you know the months of the year. We have January. Okay, January starts with J. February, March, April, May, June and July. And then August, September, October, November, December, those months do not start with the letter J. So there are only 3 months which are starting with letter J. So January, June and July. Okay, so then you can write your answer as yes, and then you can mention those months. They are January, June and July. So these are the 3 months which starts with letter J. So the next one is the collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Now, can we say that this is a set? That means a well-defined set? No, you cannot say that, because see, according to me, I have some people whom I say that they are talented writers, but for you, you may have some other names in your mind. So the choice varies from me to you, or from to with someone else. The choice varies. So we cannot say that on a particular number of people, particular names are the most talented writers. So it varies according to everyone's interest. So we cannot say that this is a set. Now next one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. This is same as this. For you, someone else maybe the best batsman. You can say that he is the best batsman in the world, but I say someone else. So it doesn't match. Okay, your thoughts doesn't match with mine. So this means that this is not a set. The next one is the collection of boys in your class. Yes, this is a set, because see, if you have a strength of 50 students in your class, 25 are girls, then the other 25 are boys. So that cannot be changed. That it cannot become 51 or 52, because 50 boys are 50 boys. Those 50 boys are only there in your class. So it means that this is a set. Okay. The collection of all the natural numbers less than 100. Yes, this means less than 100, 1 to 100, all the numbers are natural numbers. So you can mention it this way, right? Yes. So yeah, this is 5. Okay, yes. You can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and then goes till 100. Yes, you can say that this is a set. Next one is a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Yes, Munshi Premchand is a writer and he has a collection, means if he has written 100 books, then those 100 books are his collection. That is well defined. So it means it is a set. The next one is the collection of all even integers. It is well defined. It is said that even integers. So this means this is a set. The next one, the collection of all the questions in this chapter. Yes, you can count the number of questions and you can write it as a set. So this is a set. Then the next one is the collection of most dangerous animals in the world. This cannot be called a set. You know why? This doesn't form a well-defined set. So this is not a set.